Hello and welcome to our review of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra. In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at the latest offering from Xiaomi budget-friendly Redmi line of smartphones. First off, let's talk about the specs. The Redmi Note 13 Ultra boasts a massive 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G processor, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, which can be expanded via microSD card. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra is its camera setup. It boasts a triple rear camera array with a 300MP primary camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. On the front, you'll find a 30MP selfie camera. The primary camera is capable of capturing detailed, high-resolution photos, and the depth sensor and macro lens allow for some creative shots. The front-facing camera is also more than capable of capturing clear, crisp selfies. The Redmi Note 13 Ultra also comes with a massive 9000 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a full day of use. It supports 150W fast charging, which means you can get a quick boost of power when you need it. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra is its design. It's available in three eye-catching colors: Onyx Grey, Aurora Blue, and Pebble White. The phone has a sleek, slim profile, with a thin bezel and a small punch-hole camera in the top center of the display. The back of the phone has a textured finish, which gives it a premium look and feel. In terms of performance, the Redmi Note 13 Ultra doesn't disappoint. The Snapdragon 732G processor is more than capable of handling everyday tasks with ease, and the 6GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking. We didn't experience any lag or slowdown during our time with the phone. The Redmi Note 13 Ultra also comes with a number of features that enhance the user experience. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is quick and accurate. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a welcome inclusion for those who still prefer wired headphones. One area where the Redmi Note 13 Ultra excels is in its software. It runs on Android 11 with Xiaomi MIUI 12 skin on top, which adds a number of useful features and customizations. The interface is smooth and intuitive, and we didn't experience any issues with lag or crashes. So, what's our overall verdict on the Redmi Note 13 Ultra? We were impressed with the phone's impressive specs, solid performance, and good value for money. The camera setup is more than capable of capturing detailed photos, and the design is sleek and eye-catching. If you are in the market for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't skimp on features, the Redmi Note 13 Ultra is definitely worth considering.